Our next Stata tutorial video is on orthogonal vectors and matrices. If you recall, from what we did by hand, we had three vector matrices, or three vectors. A1 having the values 1, 1, 1, negative 3, and that actually needs to be slashes here, sorry. We had A2 with the values 1, 1, then negative 2, 0. Matrix A3 is equal to 3, 1, negative 2, and negative 1. So we can list all of them, and just so we can see them on the side. Alright, so we have A1, A2, and A3. And we can combine these into one matrix. So we're going to have matrix A equals A1, comma, A2, comma, A3. And we're using commas now because these are going to be different columns. And let's take a look at this. Okay, so we can see here in the bottom left that we did combine all three of them. And the last thing we do is we pre-multiply the transpose of A with A, and we will call that B. So we're going to have A transpose times A, and let's take a look. Alright, so we get the values of 12, 0, 5, 0, 6, 8, 5, 8, 15, and it is a symmetric matrix. And as we discussed when we did it by hand, where our values of 0 are is where they are orthogonal. So we see in row 2, column 1, so that would be A2 and A1. So we can say that the vector A1 and vector A2 are orthogonal. And there you go, that's how you do this, the orthogonal vectors and matrices in Stata.